who is very busy. Naghanin kami siya upang mag-gunitan. And to the former school head of PSC Angel, Mrs. Rosemary E. Adobo. To my sister, who is very supportive. Kung asa ko na ako siya. Thank you kayo. And of course, to my fellow teachers here in the previous and the present teachers here in PSC Angel Elementary School. So my former pupils and of course, dati na kong tapat, si Isabel. Hello, God. And to the present batches, the 2024 down batches. A pleasant evening to each and every one of you. Okay, so please bear with me now, okay? This is my first time to share or to be an honored guest speaker. So, pasensyahin lang. Okay, so first of all, thank you for inviting me. When I got the message, I was thrilled and slightly concerned. I thought, why me? Of all the distinguished people, why choose a simple and timid woman like me? But here I am, willingly standing in front of you. So as one of the teachers who had the joy of being part of your journey, I often look back with pride at the bright, curious minds that once filled our classrooms. This school wasn't just where we learned to read, write, and multiply. It was where we made our first friends, faced our first fears, and learned some of life's simplest and most important lessons: kindness, respect, patience, and perseverance. And let's not forget snack time and recess, two of the greatest inventions ever. Time may have passed, but the lessons, laughter, and dreams you carried from these halls remain alive in the legacy you continue to build. Whether you are scaling new heights in your career, serving your community, or nurturing your own family, always remember the seeds of greatness were planted right here. And now, seeing you all grown up, successful, kind, and still laughing, like sige mo picture, like selfie. So it brings me genuine joy. I taught you math, reading, and maybe a little patience through. Though, let's be honest, I needed more of it than you did. But it taught me things too. How to think on my feet, how to laugh through chaos, and how to keep a straight face when someone says, "Ma'am, di ay nanupan sa ako, ma'am. Ma'am, di ay nagwalis sa akong saya. Ma'am, di ay namutok, bahog tayo. Mabungkag ang klase, kaya ni ma'am utot." Eh di man mamita, tingnan na mamutok yan, gawas. It's normal na mamutok. Kung kautot mo, ayaw pugi. Igawas mo na kutot, kaya kung dili makagawas, warta sa doktor. Pero gawas na yun sa classroom para dili matugaw ang discussion. Diba? Okay? So to the current learners here today, one day you'll be the alumni. enjoy recess while it still exists. Trust me, adulting doesn't come with nap time or snack breaks. Just enjoy your childhood. So our alumni, you are living proof that every small step taken in childhood leads to extraordinary leaps in life. Your story inspires our learners today, showing them that no dream is too big when fueled by perseverance and heart. Wherever you are, know that Peace Yamgel Elementary School will always cheer you on. You started here, but the world became your stage. Keep shining and may your light guide others just as you once illuminated our classrooms. And please don't forget to turn your back on this school and extend any help which you can give to the school, because the schools need all your help. It may be in cash or in kind. And then, as I listen to Ma'am Elaine Carbo discuss my life story, I guess my story tells a girl who dream, and of course with prayer. Importante yun ang prayer. Sa mga naminaw, ako lang padayo na mo magpaminaw, sa dili maminaw, padayo na po mo sinilitong bugat. But of course, let us not stop to pray. Importante yun ang prayer. Kaya ako every time na naakoy gusto buhaton or naakoy, like for example, dito ko sa Peace Yamgel nakasuway last 2009, nakasuway o gipolitik ako. And then, nahitabo ko siya kay amot may kasuko ang congressman sa ako. Ningali ko siya niya, wala ko, ang ako mga bata ni gawas, pero ako wala, may busy man. Nobody told me na importante kaya na tanan ng gawas. So ako, I just stayed in my classroom and then constructed my kung to iabot ang third grading exam. So pagkuha na, namin nila po sa ako na di daw ko mag-explain. Kunyay ko na, nigawas man ang mga bata. Kunyay iyan, pas tumaan yan. So dito na ako ko, no? Wala daw na ko di pagawas ang aking mga bata. Well, anyway, Lerel Felicia was my witness, my living witness. Na silang tanang di pagawas na ko, and they received the distributed bags. Diba, jogging pants, sa pagkabigatan, pagkabal na ito, school supplies. So, nakadawat sila. So, dili yung help sa case kami din. Grabe ko ng mga pagsuway sa ako. And then, ang ako, wala po ko mag-expect na mahimo kong school head. Ma'am Juby dito, she told me na mga plaitan, di ba ti Job, nakadungdong ka? You told me na mga plaitan, magdungan pagpalagay, but I said no. Dili ko gusto mahimong school head kay I know it's a big, di ba? Great power comes with great responsibility. So once school head dili basta-basta. So ako dili ko kay naka-witness ko sa akong mama, sa akong sister na himong school head, na dili gadaling kay magdala sila og trabaho sa ilang balay. So I refused. But then maybe the circumstances led me to become a school head guy. If my former learners notice na pwede ko mali, muabot yung ko sa eskwela ni everyday pa man nag-ceremony direct. So, every man din na. So, previously, kanang sa diri pa ko everyday dito ang PE San Miguel Elementary School. Nasunod ko din 2007, but I was out last 2010. Kaya pagka 2011 din mo na out. Kaya I got promoted last 2011 January. So na-assign ako sa Villa Canina Elementary School. So ako, as a teacher, wala pa yun ako ma-enjoy fully ang pagkamaestra. So 5 years lang ko nag-teach, and then wala pa yun ang akong pag-share sa akong knowledge sa mga bata. Okay, so wala makaino ko na prayer yun. And then in my one sa ako pong pagkababae na iling babae pa na mahilig gwapo, ano? Isa pa hilig yung gwapo. Na ba? Hilig pa yung gwapo. Ang kinig ko na kong bana, pero prayer gapon, 2 weeks before, nag-pray dyan ko, karang sa diyan pa sa simbahan. Nag-pray ko na Mama Mary, karang sa Our Lady of the Holy Rosary, karang itong pa-altar, na diri agha, mag-isang pare, diri sa left. Diya ko, nagtindog ko Mama Mary, karang lagay ako, karang ma-partner in life na ako na, pero kung yung gusto foreigner, kaya dito yung nagliwan ng foreigner, di ba? Magwapo yung ilang Sumoto kung gusto yun. Moto na ngayon ko, tapang ka Mama Mary, kanang tagay na ko partner in life na magkasilabot ni, buutan. Moto kung ipanayo, 2 weeks after akong pagpangayo na yun, na aking abot. Kamu ha, girls, ayaw mo papanamay. Kaya kamu ko manamay mo, sigurado, maimog yun. Kaya kini akong nabana, pagkita na mo, wala ba ito siya plano na muduol sa ako? Niya ako, tingguol man siya, pagduol sa ako na umay ko na, di man din igwapo ni siya? Pinag-dilig na gwapo di man igwapo pero wala ko sa gwapo. Ako isa pagpanamay na ako yun. So ayaw ko pagpanamay ha? Pero kapag na akong bala, he is the most handsome in the world na yun. But second to my brother. Kaya kung brother, siyempre, pinagagwapo yun kay pareho manigdugo na nagdagan sa among kaugatan. So wala to, na ginungo po ni Mama Mary akong ampo na foreigner. Oo, foreigner, sali. So pasawagin mo sa English, say, so foreigner ko, apelido lang, di ang noun, Pinoy na po at noun. So wala siya ha, and please, akong tawag sa inyo, avoid multiple partners. Ayaw pa jump from one woman or one man to another man or woman. Please ha, please avoid multiple partners. Why? Delikado karon ang AIDS. AIDS is now very rampant in Pikiran. And number 1 ang Naval. Please ha, in the whole Philippines, number 1 ang Eastern Visayas. Ang mga kapilan, biliran, basta sa biliran, number 1 ang Naval. Please avoid sex, unprotected sex. Avoid yun mo kay delikado sa AIDS. Sa mga naminaw, paminaw lang yun. Avoid sex. Nagtikabanhan na sila. Bitaw ha, please, kaya ang AIDS na pagkaroon nag-edad sa 15. Nagsugod sa 15 years old. Kung sa mga naggraduha ang 15. That is grade 10. Grade 10 ba? Siguro. Grade 9, grade 10. Please ha, girls, boys, please lang avoid multiple partners. And then if you have, or if you are engaged in multiple partners, please i-check ang inyong lawas. Kung simbago, positive ba mo or negative sa AIDS. Please lang, and then pamina sa advice sa doktor. Kung may mga doktor, need ka tambalon, pagpatambal. Kaya AIDS, though wala yun siya definite na cure, pero mag-cure lang i-check, ipa-check ang ilo